Hello and congrats! You have chosen to offer yourself 10 minutes of meditation again. You may have understood that meditation requires training. It's a new practice, a new habit, and it's a new form of awareness and attention. It's not easy for anybody, so don't blame yourself if you feel like you have to try hard or if your mind wanders a lot. You are who you must be, and therefore you are perfect, with your flaws and weaknesses. You are learning to accept your own strengths and imbalance, perhaps learning to use them to move forward. If a baby falls while learning to walk, it's because they lose their balance before putting the other foot on the ground. Today, I'd like to guide you towards more freedom and less attachment to your thoughts or to the distractions around you. Keep a positive state of mind towards yourself and thank yourself for providing this opportunity to meditate. Enjoy your session. Sit comfortably on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or sit cross-legged or kneel on the floor. Try to find a comfortable and dignified posture. Your back straight in order to keep your mind alert, but not too tense. Adjust your posture if needed. If you'd like, you can close your eyes and breathe in deeply through the nose, then breathe out through the mouth. When you breathe in, concentrate on your abdomen, which is inflating. Then breathe out. Each breath is comforting. Notice these little tensions that are fading one by one. Don't change your breathing and just let it be. Don't try to control it. Refocus on the balancing of your in-breath and out-breath. The waves of your breathing are flowing through your body, your diaphragm, your stomach, your chest, and your shoulders. Don't change anything. Breathe naturally. Just notice where, inside your body, you observe this back and forth movement of your breathing. Breathing is always different for each of us. Long, short, deep, light. If you wish, with the next out-breath, you can silently count your breaths. Don't think specifically about your breathing and let it be as it is. Let go a little more with each breath. With each out-breath, allow yourself to let go even a little more and rest your mind on your breath. You have nowhere else to go, nothing to do, nothing to think about. Just be here and now, connected to your breath, focused on your body and your breath. It's completely normal if your mind wanders. Note this and reconnect slowly to the unchanging rhythm of your breathing and counting. Now observe your physical sensations in your body sitting on the chair or the floor. Simply become aware of the weight of your body on that chair or on the floor, and move your attention to the contact between your feet and the floor. Lastly, notice your hands and arms lying on your lap. Now I'd like you to let your mind do whatever it wants to do for a few minutes without trying to direct it. So if it wants to complain, let it complain. If pain arises, let it exist. Let your mind be completely free without making any effort and without controlling it. If your mind wants to think, let it think. If it wants to ruminate, let it ruminate. If a great idea appears, let that come. And if something bothers you, just let it be. Complete mental freedom. Don't judge yourself if you find your mind disturbed by many thoughts. And again, move slowly to your physical senses, to what is surrounding you. And at your own pace, when you are ready, calmly open your eyes if they were closed and stretch. Take a moment to prepare to face the rest of the day. How was that? How was that last phase of meditation, when you let your mind wander freely? Was it a little bit daunting or perhaps disturbing? Or on the contrary, was it a relief or even a pleasure? This exercise is useful to take a step back and become familiar with the logic of observing one's thoughts, anticipation, or mental rumination, rather than succumbing to the desire to control them or to the need to reject the negative ones and follow the pleasant ones. You may have enjoyed letting go. One little tip to make these sessions easier is doing a very short, informal meditation session in your daily routine. Shower, transit, meals, bedtime. During these times, try to reconnect to your breath and pay special attention to your experience of the present moment, rather than sinking into your thoughts or going on automatic pilot. Observe when you analyze and judge your thoughts, trapped by their repetition. You painfully resist them, or you succeed in letting them come and go. See you soon.